we are going to use Pythagoras in 3D to calculate the volume of this square base pyramid. For that, we need the height and substitute this into the formula. Volume equals a third of base times the height. The inside looks like this, and the height falls in the middle of the square. The height makes 90 degrees with the base, so we can use Pythagoras with hypotenuse 6 meters and short side equals to half of the diagonal of the square. The diagonal is the square root of the sum of the squares of the two sides. So now you have it, and use Pythagoras in reverse to calculate the height as one of the short sides. H is the square root of 6 squared minus 5.66 squared. H is 2 meters. Replacing H with 2, the volume is 42.7 meter cube. In this lesson, we have calculated volume of pyramids. But how about the surface area? Stay tuned. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!